This is the Ahorn 640 Plus motorhome, 6 meters long, 234 wide. It's on a Renault basis, and it costs around 65,000 euros. This vehicle has got a bed in the ceiling, as you can tell from the slope at the top. You can make a second bed at the rather large lounge, which is below, and that comes with a very large table. What's particularly curious about this though is the layout at the back, which has this enormous storage area which I left open, and there's the toilet. That is the garage down there, and here we've got the shower. So let's have a look in here to start off with. We've got these drawers, and so a fair bit of storage in here. There's a wardrobe space there, and shelving at the other side. On the other here we have the shower with a notice: please don't go in with your shoes on. And for those who ignore the sign, there is a carpet. In here we've got the garage. Now, unfortunately, can't see a great deal. Oh, you can get the general drift though, can't you? So the garage isn't too bad for a vehicle of this size. It is full of these cushions, and this is one of the problems with taking extra beds to make up front. You've got to take a pilot kit for the bed, and it needs to be carried somewhere. Toilet, look how much space that we've got here in this. I'll close this. You can see me up there. Right, look at all this space. This is a genuine dressing area. Got the shower behind me. We've got the toilet. We've got lots of space, and got space for our clothes. So I think this sort of appeals to me. I mean, the layout wouldn't suit me because I need a different type of layout the way I live. But I think for people, a couple for example, who might think they'll be having some people coming around whilst they're out, I think this is a pretty good solution. Below, you can make a bed down here. These chairs though on either side can be turned around. It's a bit of a palaver how to do it, and I can't actually show you with one hand, but as you can notice, there's a seat belt there, and there's a space under there, so you make it on both sides. You'll make a chair here. This will come up, and there's your other chair. I can't do it with just one hand though, but that chair will come up. The point of this is so that when the thing's in motion, you're going in the direction of travel. I think that this is something which has been demanded by law. I don't know, I'm just guessing on that one. So we do have this bed up here, and normally I have a problem actually taking beds down because I don't have the key, but today I've got the key. I can put the key in, but it's not going to work, and the reason it's not going to work, yeah, there you go, it's in. There's the firing position, but it's not connected. And it's not a case of me not having turned the 12 volt on from up there. It's because the battery isn't connected. Now I can understand why on a show model that is done. This table is absolutely enormous. As you can see, the table moves. I shall put the out like that, and look how big that is. Not only that, I can move it around a bit. Oh, there, oh there. It's so there's only 4 people in the van, but hey, you got a big table for it. Kitchen, relatively standard sort of thing. 3 burners. Hey, I'll close it here. There's the mosquito net. There is the blackout blind. And here we've got the sink with a domestic drainage hole in it. That's for the TV satellite system. And that's as big as that'll get. And to the left down there you can see you've got the gas, so that is for your cooker, gas for the cooker, gas for the boiler, and gas for the three-way fridge, which is standing right behind me here. And I've got this bit here as well. The television has gone up there, and you can see it's plugged in behind. Bit of storage under here as well. Leaving via the door, and note it's got a insect screen as well. Now that's a rather unusual layout. I might be able to, if this is open, I'll show you. Oh, that's not too bad. Oh, I've done it. You can see how big the garage is from here. This it comes with a toolkit as well, and these things are the isolation blinds. This is the kit to make the bed up front. I believe it's easier to get a inflatable mattress. It takes up much less room, it's just as comfortable, and it's a fraction of the price. So that's the Ahorn 640 Plus. Hey, I'm going to take you around the outside of the side, because I like to show all the way around if at all possible. And in this case, I think I can. There you go, and that's what it looks like. So this is Kölner Straße in Mülheim. You see this is the Ahorn dealership here. And this is the street one should visit if one is looking for a motorhome. So Mülheim on the Ruhr. I do like to give a little bit of context to the places I'm filming. So, thanks very much for watching. Hope you found that of interest. I upload every day, 21:15, and if you press the bell and subscribe, then you will also know when I am uploading. Because whereas I upload 21:15 every day anyway, I also occasionally do live broadcasts related to motorhomes from events or places I'm staying at. I think they're particularly good and interesting and nice, and also upload places where I stay at, my journeys, people who might have interesting vehicles, this type of thing. So thanks for being with me. Hope you found it interesting. All the best from me in Germany.